Okay, today we're gonna make fry bakes. Don't forget to subscribe. So I'm gonna add 3 cups of flour. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of butter. And to this, I'm going to add a cup of warm water. Now I'm gonna give this a good mix together. I'm using my hand. I'm going to knead that flour nice and soft. You don't want to end up with a very hard dough. So you don't want to add too much flour to this. You don't want to add too much water to this where you would need to add more flour. What I would normally do is to rest this flour for at least 10 minutes and then give it a little knead again so that it's nice and smooth. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to form some nice small balls. Okay, so all the balls that I'm forming is the size of the bakes that I would like to fry. Okay, so you can form bigger balls or smaller balls. It all depends on what size you would like to have your bakes at. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this with some plastic wrap. I'm going to set it aside for at least 30 minutes. Now, using the tip of my fingers, I'm going to flatten those round balls out and I'm going to place them in some oil and I will fry this. So I'm going to fry the bakes until they're golden brown underneath. Once they're golden brown underneath, I'm going to flip them over and I'm going to fry it on the other side as well until it has the same color. And then I'm going to remove it from the pot. Okay, and now we're done and my bakes are finished and they're golden brown, they're soft, they're fluffy on the inside. This is not going to get very hard once it's cold, and they're very lovely and tasty.